How to change language in Google Photos app. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the language in your Google Photos app. So if the app isn't showing your preferred language, just follow these simple steps to fix it. Alright, let's dive in. First, open the Google Photos app on your phone. Now tap your profile icon in the top right corner, then tap Manage your Google account. Once you're inside your Google account settings, tap the search bar at the top and type Language. Now tap on Language Personal Info. You'll see your current language listed here. To change it, tap the pencil icon, then search for your preferred language. For example, French. Select it and tap Save to confirm. But here's the thing. Even after changing your Google account language, the language in the Google Photos app might not update yet. That's because Google requires you to change your device's language as well. So here's how you do that. Go to your phone settings, then search for language again, and select Language and Input or System Language, depending on your device. Next, tap on Languages at the top, then search for your preferred language again, let's say French, and confirm. And that's it. Once your phone's system language changes, your Google Photos app will automatically switch to that language too. If you still see some parts in the old language, simply restart your phone and everything should refresh correctly. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future updates.